Hi, I'm Cutbill Lenane with Douglas Elliman, and we are here at 10 East 92nd Street, a beautiful townhouse.
I'm Roland Schneider with Citizens Bank. Thank you so much for having me, Ann.
You are so welcome. So we are talking about in an environment that is not as overheated as it was before. Buyers are a little bit more in the driver's seat, and so they're asking for certain things they would never get before. One of them is the mortgage contingency. So how do we protect our sellers with that mortgage contingency?
That's a great question. I've been seeing so many more contracts out there, as I'm sure you have, with mortgage contingencies involved.
And sellers are flipped out. I can't have a mortgage contingency, and I say it's not necessarily a bad thing.
We can't force a buyer to go to any lender we like, but what we can ask them to do is to get pre-approved with your preferred lender.
You can go to anybody you want, but in that contract, you must put in an application to Citizens Bank, let's say. And the reason why I would do that is that I know that Citizen has checked the credit of the buyer.
The income.
Right.
The assets.
But also about the building.
Very important.
Because
you have to make sure that building has been pre-approved and vetted.
Right. So one of the things that we actually had with the deal was that there was litigation. Usually when a lawsuit comes up, it's kind of almost an automatic no. You have to get kind of an exception, right? So those are things that you can do in advance and make sure that you've got a lender that's okayed the building, and that person then is also vetted as in terms of the buyer.
Their credit.
Correct. Their income. And that's a great thing. So they can get financing from their Uncle Harry, like a loan shark down the street, wherever they want to go. But if they don't get it from that source or that other bank, they must go back to you or the preferred lender.
And that protects your seller.
Because you've okayed the building and you've okayed them. And so really it's pretty rock solid.
Ready to go.
Exactly. All right. Well, thanks so much for watching.